Welcome to CodePlux. Today we are in the seventh part of our Django tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see about API. API is nothing but application programmable interface. Uh, Today, which will teach you how to integrate a RESTful API with Django application. Okay. The most popular RESTful API for Django is Django REST framework. It is an open source API, RESTful API. You can directly go to their official site and download the content from there. There are some simple steps to integrate the RESTful API with your Django application. So today we are going to teach you how to integrate it. First, go to their official site by searching for the Django REST framework. Okay, uh, then scroll down. Requirements: it supports Python 2.7 to 3.6 and Django 1.10, 1.11 and 2.0. Okay, these are the installation steps we need to install using pip install Django REST framework. Open your code editor. Just activate your virtual environment which we have set up in the previous tutorial, and go to your project folder and install by pip install Django REST framework. We are giving a specific version uh, with this Django because the latest version of Django REST framework is not supported for Django version 1.9. So we are using Django REST framework 3.4. That's been installed. Yeah. Then the next step is you need to specify the REST framework in your installed app. So just open your code editor and go to settings.py file, and in the installed app section just specify it. Just check, you need to specify this type of integrated things before your app declaration. So we are declaring before our app declaration rest underscore framework. Okay, then you need to specify this URL in the URL path. So that just specify this thing in your urls.py file. Open your urls.py file in your project directory and just paste it here. API. Now include, here is include keyword, so we need to import this from django.config.urls. Include, it will include the REST framework URL to that specific URL. Okay, now simply run your application by the command python manager.py run server. Then go to your browser and reload the content and go to that specific path API-auth. Check whether the thing is working or not. API-auth. So it's working, it's here, but we need to specify slash. Okay, in API-auth there are two URLs, login and logout, so we need login, so just write login slash. Okay, it's working now. It's redirecting us to the Django REST from where login page. You specify your username and password there and press login. It's working now. After login, it's redirecting to the home page, but there is no home page, that's why it's throwing a 404 error. Just go to API-auth slash logout to log out from the page. It's redirecting us to the login page. That's all for this tutorial. In the upcoming tutorial, we will show you the advanced steps in the Django REST framework. Okay, subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon. It will notify you the new upcoming videos. Thank you.